Well, first I flutter my eyelashes.
Excellent.
Then I get to flutter my eyelashes. Then I'm gonna flutter my eyelashes too.
They're cute or whatever. Here, this, it's so cute. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back with another lash haul. So we are actually moving on to a new brand actually. So it's not Kiss today, it is actually our Ardell lashes. Guys, I'm excited to try out these new different styles. I just want to get more. I like the lash videos like I said before. I like making them and you guys apparently like watching them. So before I get fully started into this whole lash try on and haul, you guys don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And don't forget to leave a comment below, and as well, don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there. So let's get into this lash try on. This style is Soft Touch 162 black ones. Let's get into it. They just say it's a thin band. They say it's 100% natural hair. It does say it has tapered tips and it is ultra lightweight fibers and soft flex fit lash band. So it says it has tapered tips. It is very true. This lash is so soft and natural. This is considered like a baby lash for me, but it is very pretty. See that little extra little flip at the end? That's very pretty. These are soft. Yeah, these are soft. They're very soft. I think these are a good natural lash, but they have a little bit more dimension on the end. They're right. The tapered look is very true. At the ends, that is. Now, when it comes to the lash band to me is pretty much invisible. So when it says it is, what does it say? It said it is soft flex fit lash band. They're right about that. To me, it should just say invisible because I really don't feel it. I don't see it. I cannot see it or feel it. I don't know if you guys see it, but it just, I can't see it nor feel it. This lash would be good, again, something to pop on and just go out the door. These are really good, I think, if you wear glasses. Yeah, you wear glasses, this would be cute because it's not too out there, so it won't hit against your glass frames. These will be really cute. I like these. I will definitely, yeah, these are going to be in my new little collection because they're just soft. They're just simple, but that tapered end just brings it in. Look at that. Cute, very simple. Baby lash, but still cute. These are the Style 700s from the Wispy collection from Ardell. These are very, very traditional Wispy. Probably have to cut this one a little bit, but I don't know. Overall, it's very pretty. Look at that. Oh yeah. This is a traditional, long, soft, natural wispy lash. This is very, very nostalgic. I've seen lashes like this so many times from all kinds of brands. I still like them. They're still a classic because they just look so long, and like, look at that, the little curl. Oh, it's good. Very, very good. So kind of like the soft touch ones. These are a little bit more just more dimension, even though these are softer. They're not so tapered at the end, of course. These are baby soft. But that curl, look at that. That curl is amazing. And that wispiness, it really does have that shadow effect on your eye. Look at that. It's like, oh, it just, yeah. They're very doll-like. You just don't feel anything on these. These are very, very soft. On these wispy ones, I don't feel the band at all. I don't even hardly feel the hairs. Just, the only way I can feel is kind of in my inner corner, but can't feel on the outside. When I flutter, when I look up, I feel a little bit, tiny little tickle up there when it hits my brows, but can't feel really a thing. Just really can't. Now this style, I do like it. To me, is it better than the tapered one? I kind of like the tapered one more, but I can't resist when it has that curl and that feather look. I can't resist, but these are good too. So far, these older ARDELL collections, they're looking pretty cute, but I want to see how they're gonna advance. I want to see. These are the style from, again, the Wispy collection. This is the style 701. So these, I like these. These are a little more thicker. I may have to cut this one again, but a little more thicker at the end, and they're very, very curly. Look at these. They're so cute. I like these. Hold on, let me look even closer again. Look at that little, it's fluttery. These do run a little smaller, the lash band. Look at that little extra curl there. It's just extra curly right at the end. I love this, but these are, let me see, are these soft? They're soft. These have a wispiness, but they're very just curly at the end, and they're a short band. This is a very, very short band. Again, these are all baby lashes. These are not crazy, crazy long, but I do like this style. I like that it has a wispiness, but it's mainly just curly. And these aren't too natural. They have a little bit fullness to them, but they have a little curly curl at the end. I love the curly curls on the lash. I love that. These are the style from the new collection, Glamour. So we're not on Wispies no more, we're on Glamour now. So these are the style 142 in the Glamour collection. These are the most interesting ones yet. They are kind of like I told you before, the chiffon ones. They have that pixie wispy kind of situation. These are very smooth. These are curly, but they're medium size, small to medium. They're medium. They don't have a lot of hairs to them, but up close they're a little more stocky. They're very cute though. They have thicker parts that are kind of like a thick pixie, but then it makes it a little wispy and a little curl to it. This one is kind of like that chiffon, and the max out ones, they were called, I believe, Love. They don't have the exact same weaving, but they have the pixie, the thicker pixie separation between the smaller lashes or no lash in between. Pixie lashes to me are the hardest ones to put on. These kick my butt a little bit to get on, but once they're on, they're on. They are on, honey, like the show has begun. These, I wish they were longer because I love the pixie thickness, and then it has a little hairs in between it. I do love pixies. These are a little easier than the other ones I've had in the past, but these are very smooth. Again, with none of these, I can feel the lash band. Actually, the last Wispy ones, I kind of felt the lash band, but this one, I don't feel the lash band at all. I cannot feel it at the top of my brows at all either, because it's so little. think I feel it on my crease more than my brow, but these are the design, I do like these. Again, these are baby lashes for the length. For the design, they are pretty nice. You guys can see a little bit of the flutter, see? Fluttering. I've noticed all of these have a curl to them, but they're all different collections out of Ardell. This has been the baby lash series today because Ardell, they're like, you go get these baby lashes and be all right. This is cute though. These are cute. These are the last pair of the day. These are from the Glamour collection, and these are the numbers 141. If you guys can see, I don't like it. I'm not gonna lie, I do not like these. These are very plasticky, and that band is very stiff. Not hurting, but it is stiffer, and I do not like the plastic of the lash. See, you can't see no dimension. It just looks like I have something on my face. It's something on mine, but I keep on doing this. It's, you know, I can't see the hairs, can't see the flutter like the other lashes. So I didn't care for these. Some people may like these straight, just, I guess, all the same length kind of hairs. I guess that's what it is. I don't care for. They get a little bit just bigger by the end, but all in here, they're like short, but all straight. They don't have dimensions in the small hairs either, and not the big hairs, it's just getting bigger. But they're still just a medium-sized lash. No, it just keeps falling flat. I don't like lashes like this. See, but these bands are, they're not it for me. Still, it's just that plasticky kind of look, and it's too shiny. You know when people take out like a little doll wig and it's just plasticky until they start really messing with it? That's what these lashes have, that plastic look on them, like that shiny plastic look. I don't care for these. Will not be added to my collection. I'm upset. These ain't Glamour, sweetie. These are very much prom lashes that you didn't know what you was doing and what you were looking for. Yeah, these are really bad prom lashes, or when people get real bad wedding makeup. These are the kind of lashes that they use. Yeah, these are right. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Some hits, some misses. But if you like these kind of styles, that's fine too. Maybe on your eye shape be looking bomb, but on mine it said not today. And I guess that's okay. We rhyming today. I hope you guys enjoyed my lash on haul today with the Ardell lashes. Now we're moving on to a new brand. With these lashes, I feel like out of the Ardell, to be introduced to Ardell, I think 3 out of 5 of them did very well. So that's a good start. I think the quality of them are pretty relatively good. It's just some styles are just not it. I realized too with Ardell lashes, I don't have to cut my lashes that much. I can cut the sides off of these if I want to, but then I don't really need to with a lot of them so far. To me, they are affordable. I believe all of these, I got them, I know they're on sale too. So a lot of them are like $3 or $2.99 right now. So at Ulta, they have sales going on with these lashes. So I had to pick up almost every single pair. I gotta try it out. They need to keep these lash sales with every brand, even high ends. I need to try them out. I need to try them all. I need to. I feel like they range out more. I feel like Kiss is really good at building the lash so far of what I got off of these just first 5. This is really good at building a lash and really sturdy, really what it says on the description. I feel like Ardell, I feel like so far from their description on there, it is accurate, but I also feel like they try more styles than Kiss. I seen they always had wispies, and I'm just like, y'all got like 10,000 wispies. Like, I keep telling different. They all start looking the same eventually. I feel like Kiss has a collection, and the collection is, okay, this is the gist. I feel like Ardell is like, okay, within the collection, we're gonna do different styles in a collection that you just gotta know that's in the collection, but it's not gonna make, it's not gonna match the name per se. Ardell may be coming for Kiss. They may be like, look, Kiss, you've been doing this, okay? But I've been doing it too. Thank you guys again for coming to see me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is again, Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. And do not forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'ma see y'all on the next one. Bye.